how to connect EA account to PlayStation 5. First, you want to go to PlayStation.com and sign into your account. So I'm just going to click on sign in here. It's going to take you to this page. You will need to put your PlayStation Network account and password and just click on sign in. Okay, so once you have signed in, we just want to make sure that this has successfully signed us in. If you see your profile icon in the top right, then it means that you've signed in. Okay, so now what we gotta do is go into EA Games, so EA.com. Then you will open up and sign into your EA account as well. You want to click on your icon and then go into account settings. Next, you will go into connected accounts, and here you should see the option not linked, and here you will see PlayStation Network in this field. So all you have to do is going to be to click on PlayStation Network. I'm just going to do this for Xbox. It's going to tell you that it's going to take you to the Xbox website, but in our case, it's going to be PlayStation. And afterwards, it's going to detect your account. You just got to accept the agreements here, and that's going to connect your PlayStation account as it has done for me. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.